Terrifying things caught on camera. A crane operator saved a man from fire who was stuck on a burning building in Reading. This happened just 8 days ago, on the 22nd of November. What makes it even more harrowing is while he's trying to shelter from the flame, using only his jacket, he has to guide the crane operator to get the cage to a place where it won't be engulfed in flames. He only has his jacket to shelter with. The way the crane operator gently taps the barricade to alert him that it's there is legendary. It must take so much patience and resilience not to just try and jump through the cage at this point. If he doesn't make sure that the cage is in a safe position, his body weight will rock the cage back into the flames. He has to force himself not to try and jump into it while it's stuck on the barricade. This wait must have been painfully long. He then has to physically spin the cage to get the door to face him. He then has one final battle. Not only has he got to work out how to open and close the door to the cage, but he has to make sure he doesn't get in too early. The hoses spraying the fire are pushing the flames further onto the roof. If he gets in the cage too soon, while the flames are still encroaching on that corner, he'll have no escape from them while inside. He uses the corner to stay safe until the flames die down and he jumps in. This guy's calm demeanour in the face of panic should be applauded. I feel like a lot of people have tried to jump in too early and ended up getting hurt or worse. Here it is from a different view.
Go on. Down, 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 down. Quick, 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 quick. Come on. Come on. Oh my God, just get in it, mate. Get in it. Doesn't matter. Just jump in. He's in. Go.
Is he in?
He's in. He's in. He's in. He's in.